right now that is lurking large on the valley. Climate crisis is a universal issue, but because this is the place of heritage for me, I was born here, and but I have worked in Indian cinema for a long time, but have now switched my focus towards more important issues like climate crisis and of course mental health as well. But right now we're talking about climate crisis, and we are right now standing on a footbridge, and I can tell my lens person to pan the camera. On the either side of the bridge, you will see it's a walkover bridge. It takes you to the either side of the river. So it looks in a good shape today, but the thing is, especially in the last decade, the biodiversity, which was sort of like a highlight of this city, is not really that. It's not that okay, and not much snowfall, which adds to this entire issue as well. And of course, the appetite for building houses, and of course the industrial waste. Even though we don't have to worry too much about the industrial waste here, but then there are other major issues that contribute towards this menace. So this again is a sort of an effort, small effort, as a filmmaker, to make sure it reaches to the rooms that matter most. And of course, I think it's a combined effort basically to make sure we'll make this city more livable.